Motorola will unveil a couple of flip-style, vertically folding smartphones on June 1, 2023, believed to be the Razr 40 and Razr 40 Ultra. Rumors claimed the Razr 40 Ultra would also be called Razr Plus, and those are now corroborated by reliable leakster Evan Blass, who said the smartphone will be launched as Razr Plus in the US and Razr 40 Ultra in the rest of the markets. Blass also leaked the official marketing materials for the Razr 40 Ultra, which corroborate previous design leaks. Additionally, the leakster posted a couple of videos showing different use cases of the Razr 40 Ultra's cover screen, rumored to measure 3.5 inches diagonally. You can watch them here and here if you are already following Blass. Motorola is yet to divulge anything about the Razr 40 Duo, but you can check the Razr 40 Ultra's leaked specs here. The smartphone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC and pack a 3640 mAh battery with 33 watts charging. However, some rumors claim it will come with a 2850 mAh cell.